Alright, Maria re-rise. Here we go. There should be something here. Never know, I might get lucky. To even hook up, that'd be interesting. Oh, we're on, he's fine running. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, he's running, whatever, it's freaking big. Oh no, he's in the, I've got to get around him. Whatever it is, oh, he's out. Oh, what is that? Oh, early morning, waking up, and we hook on. Is that a Sambo? No, it's a potty. It's a potty mullet on a stick bait. He ate it. It's a potty on a stick bait. Holy Jesus! What the hell? Oh my God! Whoa! Mate, look at that! Now I kid you not, I did not jag that. I thought I jagged it, but that fish, I genuinely thought I jagged this fish, but it actually struck at the stick bait. Bloody, that is a bloody fucking, oh, Jesus. Would you look at that fish? Jesus Christ. That is wicked, huh? Alright, I think it's time to get him back in. So I just got some shots of this potty mullet that took my stick bait, the Maria re-rise. Check that out. I'm gonna let him go. I can't believe he struck the bloody Maria. I might walk him out a bit. He should be good to go. Oh, look at that fish. He should be alright. He's kicking. Beautiful. That was caught on the Maria re-rise. And the thing's already got a bit of battle scar. Bro, I can't believe he took a stick bait. Do they normally do that? Surely not. Unless it was a reaction. Because that was right in the corner of the jaw.